Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Hello, madam. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Ritika.
Hello, Ritika. Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
You are from Mumbai?
Yes, sir.
And do you go to school?
Yes, sir. I go to school.
And which grade are you in?
I'm in 4th grade.
Oh, so you are a big girl.
No, sir. I am 9 years old.
Ah, so you are a big girl.
Yes, sir. I am.
So what is there anything that do you like going to school, Ritika?
Yes, sir. I like going to school.
And what is that you like about school?
Because the teacher in the school teach very well.
Ah, so what is the name of your school?
My school's name is New Bombay City School.
I did not get the name. You said that quite fast.
It is New Bombay City School.
New Bombay City
School.
Okay. Okay. And I thought that you will say it is boring to go to school every day.
No, sir. School is quite fun.
I mean, because when you the teachers, they give you a lot of homework. And how can homeworks be very interesting always? So are you telling me the truth, or you are not telling me the truth?
I am telling the truth.
And why did you join? I mean, why did you join Clapping Go?
Clapping Go. I want to learn means like vocabulary.
Okay, you want to learn vocabulary.
Yes, sir. I want to learn vocabulary.
And what else? What else do you want to learn here?
Like how
can I say this? So that's what you are thinking. How can I say this? See, you want to learn something, right?
Yes, sir. I want to learn.
And one thing which I see here, which is, I see the name Raguraj.
Sir, it is my father's name.
Okay. And then there is an oblique called Ritika, which is your name.
Yes, sir.
And I'm so sure your father is sitting in your room.
Yes, he's sitting in my room.
Yeah, I can know that. I can guess that. I can hear him prompting also. Can I meet your father? Sir, namaskar. Sir, I mean, what was the purpose of getting your daughter on this platform? Sir, we have a kids platform also on Clapping Go.
Yeah, correct.
Did you try that?
Yeah, actually, I searched it. I checked it. But frankly speaking, kids session is quite costly nowadays. So for grammar, sometimes I teach, and she's learning in school as well. But I want to improve her fluently. So I am also learning. She's also learning. That's why I written like Raghuras Ritika. Sometimes she attend the classes. Sometimes I attend the classes because we both are learning. And in my home, nobody knows this English. Even I'm learning my daughter. So at least we can communicate to each other. So that's why I'm preparing for her. So later on point, she can once she start learn reading, then she can practice for grammar. I can teach the grammar also because using Hindi. But nowadays, she has to prepare for the speaking. So that we can start communicating each other.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, Ritika,
Yes, sir.
are you interested in crafts?
Yes, sir. I'm interested, but I'm learning right now.
Did you say did you say I am interesting?
I'm interesting.
No. You say I am interested.
I am interested.
Yeah. You don't say I'm interesting. You say I am interested. Okay.
I am interested.
So one more time, pronounce with me. Interested.
Interested.
Yeah, wonderful. And can you please tell it in one go? Interested. Interested.
Interested.
Yes. You are such a good learner. You are such a quick learner. I am impressed. And tell me the recent craft that you had prepared in your school. Do you remember?
And in school, like we made. I made one like what there was one craft like when we make handbags for kids.
Yeah. I want to meet your father one more time. Can I see him?
Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can keep that one. Sir, please.
Sarji,
Yeah.
I have a request to you.
Yeah, please.
Even if you are sitting in the room,
Okay, sir.
while the sessions are going on with your daughter,
Yes, sir.
I would request you not to prompt her anything.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Let her make mistakes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So because let her learn by her own, because if you prompt, the human mind is always, it will get ready for prompting only.
Yes, for supporting. Always look for support.
Yeah. So please don't do that, sir. Please.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. That's a very nice point. And thanks for saying this, sir. I will or it's like disturbances running because of heavy rain is going on in Mumbai. Yeah, so some disturbance also.
No problem, sir. No problem. That is a part of life. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So what was that interesting craft that you made?
That was like a handbag.
Oh, handbag. How did you make it? Tell me the process.
First process, like my teacher said, like pick a paper, then fold it in corners, like then we
like. So you have to can you show me, or you will show me now?
Sir, it's come right now there. So like I did like this. My first steps. First I did the paper, then like this fold from like this corner.
So you say I took a paper.
I took a paper.
And I folded it like this. I folded it like this.
I folded it like this.
And then tell me the next step. Then only I can help you.
Then I did like how is it? Like
yeah. So you can say that I made it little firm. Yeah.
Then from the next corner again make it firm like that.
Yeah. So once I made it little firm, then there was a line that I saw. Okay, go on.
And then like what is it? Like then we use color papers, and then like there is something like glitter it comes, then we stuck it on that.
Oh, so you will not say like. You will say for this we use glitters and color papers. What will you say?
For this we use I use color papers and glitter.
Very good. Shuru se boliye, Ritika. Tell me from the beginning one more time.
First I like.
Why are you saying, Ritika? Why are you saying like? नहीं बोलना है उसको like. Okay.
First, I use the color paper and then some glitter.
You say that how do you start? I take a paper.
First, I take a paper.
Yes.
Then I fold them in corner. And then what is it?
And
then
I fold it, right? I fold it. I fold it in two halves.
I fold in two halves. Then I
say I had told you something. I make it little firm, right?
Then it a bit firm with.
Yes, yes, yes.
By using color paper.
Okay.
Glitter.
Right, right. How will you know this language? Okay. Papa is here still.
That room now.
Now he has gone. Okay. So what you can see, what you can do is that whenever you Google the steps of doing craft, steps for doing a particular craft. Okay, Ritika. So you will get that language there, stepwise.
Stepwise.
Which you are struggling now to tell. So sometimes when you write the steps for preparing a paper boat, for example. So it will give you the steps.
Yes, sir. If you write, you will remember.
So when you write it on Google, steps for preparing a paper boat, so Google is going to give you the steps.
Yes.
And that will be written in English.
In English or the Hindi, both.
Yes, I'm saying that will be written in English.
English also.
So you can pick that language so that you don't get stuck like this. Have you understood now?
Understood now.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ritika. I think our time is up, and so I'll definitely listen to you next time again about your craft. You want to say something?
I want not like this we make it, but it must.
So next time you will prepare this craft and you will show me, right?
Yes, sir. I will show you.
And then I'll see the complete thing.